Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by prepping ingredients because a tidy station speeds every step. Once rice is cooked and slightly cooled, season it lightly. You lay a nori sheet shiny side down on the bamboo mat, then, using wet hands, press 0. 5 cups of rice into an even layer, leaving a 1-inch top border. Make sure rice is thin so the roll isn't doughy. Once that's set, arrange a center strip of vegetables where the roll will fold. You place the vegetables in a neat line across the rice because even distribution prevents gaps. Make sure heavier items like avocado are centered to support the shape. Once your fingers hold the edge of the mat, lift and tuck the nori over the fillings, then pull the mat toward you while compressing with the other hand. This creates a tight core. After the first complete turn, roll through the uncovered border to seal. If needed, dampen the edge to help adhesion. You finish by transferring the roll to a cutting board because a clean surface gives control. With a very sharp knife, cut the roll in half, then into 6 to 8 even pieces, wiping the blade between cuts to avoid drag. Once done, arrange pieces seam side down to preserve shape and serve immediately with soy or sesame. If rolls fall apart, make sure you used slightly less rice, tighten the roll more, and chilled the roll briefly before slicing to firm the structure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.